Hi, welcome back. I'm Heather. Today I'm going to talk about how I'm planning my Thanksgiving meal a little bit early this year so that I can make the day of Thanksgiving quicker by having stuff already pre-prepped. So this year it's just going to be our immediate family. Usually we have about 20 or 30 people for Thanksgiving and we do it potluck style, so everybody's just making one or two dishes. And so this year I'll be responsible for the entire meal and I want to make it as quick and easy as I can. So I've gotten in a few magazines that have given me some Thanksgiving recipe ideas. And then I have our tried and true family favorites that we do each year. And so I'm just gonna take a piece of paper and I'm gonna write out the dishes that we're gonna be having. We're gonna do just the dish. And then I want to put whether I can pre-prep it. So these are things that I could make ahead of time and then either stick in the freezer or even just a couple days ahead of time. And then I'm going to also have a spot for the date. So first one, of course, we're going to have a turkey. And this is, I do know that on the prepping on this, I just need to brine the turkey the night before. So we'll get the turkey the week before and then brine it. So it'll just be a couple days. So I'm gonna put in on Tuesday of Thanksgiving. And then we're gonna have stuffing. So for the stuffing, I can make anything that I'm adding into it. So we like to have sausage and apples and the onions and celery. I can make all that ahead of time. So I can also make that Tuesday. And I'm just going to put in add-ins. And then Thanksgiving Day, all I have to do is mix everything together and put it in the dish and put it in the oven. And then we'll have cranberry sauce. This is my daughter's very favorite thing. Okay, so cranberry sauce I can prep even 3 weeks or so before and stick it in the freezer. So I'm just gonna mark down that I can freezer it, and then when I make it, I'm gonna put down the date that I made it. We have a sweet potato. And this dish can, again, go in the freezer. So I could do this one, I'll probably do this one 2 weeks before actual Thanksgiving, and then just pull it out the couple days before so it can thaw in the fridge and then just throw it into the oven. And typically I change up whatever our veggie is for the year. That's somewhere where nobody has a tried and true favorite. So for this one, I'm just going to put veggie, and that's where I'm going to look through my magazines and kind of pick out something that looks fun and interesting, maybe something a little bit different from what we normally do. And rolls, I can make those ahead of time. I have a quick and simple bread recipe that I'll make up and then just stick them into the freezer. All right, and then we'll do some kind of pie. I think this year we'll do a traditional apple pie. And that one I can definitely freeze ahead of time. And I think that will probably be about it for our Thanksgiving menu. So then as I start prepping stuff, I will just write the date in of when I'm making it or the date that we should be using it up, and be able to make it ahead of time. So maybe the Tuesday or Monday of the week of Thanksgiving, and then I'll just stick it in the fridge. That way it's ready to go the day of Thanksgiving. So some of these ideas will make Thanksgiving Day a little bit simpler, and it really helps to cut down on how much work you're doing the day of and how stressful that day can be. So I hope you follow along in this series. We'll have multiple videos coming out on some of the cranberry sauce, the apple pie, some of these things that we're able to make ahead of time and then just stick in the freezer so we can make Thanksgiving Day a little bit simpler. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time. Okay, thank you.
Bye-bye, Mama.
Bye, sweetie.
Hope you have a good video.